Good morning to everyone. This is the sum we will do in today's lecture. In front of your screen, the balance sheet of Mrs. M and R, Mrs. R and S as on 31 March 2013 were as follows. In the liability side, we have capital balances of MNRS. M and N are partners in MNN. R and S are partners in RNS. Creditors, loan, outstanding expenses. In the asset side, we have land, machinery, furniture, data, stock, cash balance, and bank balance. The two firms decided to amalgamate and form into Messrs. MNRS. So the name of the new firm will be MNRS with effect from 1/4 2014. Partners would share profits and losses equally between themselves as they were doing prior to amalgamation, and they agreed to following revaluation of asset: land, new value is given, machinery, furniture, data, stock. Then we have creditors new balance, loan new balance, and outstanding expenses new balance. It was decided, in addition to the above, it was decided goodwill of MNN and RNS was valued at rupees 35,000 and rupees 20,000 respectively. It should be written off in the new firm. So the balance sheet has to be first created, raised, and then it has to be written off. That in the new balance sheet after amalgamation, goodwill account will not appear. That the reconstructed capitals of the partners would be rupees 37,500 each. The difference, if any, should be transferred to their current account. You are required to show the accounts in the books of MNN and RNS and opening balance sheet of the new firm. So we have to close the old books and prepare the new balance sheet. So first step in amalgamation, as you all know by now, that the first step in amalgamation is to calculate the PC. So what will be our first step? It will be all assets taken over by new firm in revised, if given, not given, then book value. So now we have checked what all asset: land, machinery, furniture, data, stock. Other than cash and bank balance, all other assets new values are given. So let us copy all the values of the asset. And the amounts till stock, because creditor is a liability. So let us copy, and then here also till stock. Now which assets are left out? Cash and bank. We have to take the old value of cash and bank. So what is the amount of cash and bank? 3,600, 1,800, 7,200, 5,400. So what is the value? 3,600, 1,800, and 7,200, 5,400. Now any other asset which is left out? Any other asset which we have not noted or not recorded? We have recorded all the assets, but in addition to all the assets, goodwill also is given 35,000 and 20,000. So we'll write goodwill. Goodwill 35 and 20. Now write down the totals. How much total we get? 45 and 45 is 90,000. 30 and 32 is 62,000. 10 and 12 is 22,000. 51,000. 29 and 34 is how much? 63,000. 3,600 and 1,800 is how much? Is it 5,400? This is how much? 12,600. This is 55,000. Hope the totaling are done properly. Just cross check whether it is proper. We get the total of A. Then we less B all external liabilities taken over by new form in revised, or if not revised, given book value. So this is also given. Go to the question. Revised values are given. Other than capital, we have creditor, loan and outstanding expense, and all the three new values are given. So 52, 7,200. So we'll take the 52,000, 7,200. Here 34,000, 38,000 and 11,400. Take down the total. How much is it coming? 52 plus 34 will be 86. This will be same. This will be how much? 18,600. Now take the total. See what is coming total. Take down the total. What you are getting? This is how much? 59,200. This is how much? 83,400. This will be. So take whether all everything is correct. This is 1,80,800. This one is 1,80,200. What will be the total? Do the total and tell me. PC will be 1,80,800, 1,80,200. This is 3,61,000. This one is 59,200 plus 83,400, which is 142,600. Now what we want is purchase consideration A minus B. So how much we are getting? Is it correct? $96,800. Is it correct? So this is coming to how much? This is coming to 2018 400. Correct? So now we will go to the old books. First step will be to various assets, but here balance sheet values will come. So balance sheet, go to the balance sheet, copy all the assets value, name of the assets. Now we will write the amount, balance sheet value, now credit side by various liabilities, external liabilities. Now what external liability we have in the balance sheet? Now let us copy the balance sheet values. Now we will copy of R&S also. After this, our next step is buy. What is the name of the new firm? MNRS PC due. So what is the amount of PC? 121,600 and 96,800. Next effect, by MNRS will become by composite to realization 121,600 and 96,800. Now we'll transfer the capital balances in the capitals account. Because capital is liability, it has credit opening balance. What is the amount of capital? 36,000, all the four places. So we'll write down. There is no reserves. Done. So now close the realization account. Close the realization account, everyone. Let us close realization account. How much we are getting? 182,800. 182,800. Now in the other side, how much is the other side coming? 36 plus 39,600 plus 11,400 plus 96,800 is giving us 183,800. 183,800. Now, how much is the asset side? Because we have simply copied the asset total 133,200 and 159,000. So everywhere credit is more, both the places credit is more. So it will be a profit to partners capital account bracket. We can write profit. Who will get it? M, N, R and S. Because the profit sharing ratio is not given, the profit will be divided equally. How much is the profit? Here it is 49,600. Here it is 24,800. So how much is it coming? Divide by 2. Here also divide by 2. Partnership ratio is half, na? 49,600 into 1 divided by 2, 49,600 into 1 divided by 2. Why directly I took the profit? Because all the assets and all the liabilities are taken over. There is no liability left or asset left. All asset and liabilities are taken over. So we can directly take down the profit. So now what we will do, opposite effect. 2 will become by. Two partners will become by realization. How much it is coming? 24,800, 24,800 and 12,400. Now take the total. How much is this coming? Add both of them. 6,800, 6,800 and here it is coming. How much is it coming? 48,400, 48,400. So same we will copy. Same will come above. This will be by, sorry, not by, two new form. Name is MNRS balancing figure. So 2 MNRS will become by partners capital account MNRS. How much is it? 6,800, 6,800 and here it is 48,400, 48,400. The total should come this. We may say our new firm has tallied. Now because the new capital is given, we will come here in the new books, new partners capital account, because opening balance liability, it will come in the credit side. And what is the balance of all the partners? It is the same amount. So I will copy. Now new capital, how much is given? New capital 37,500 will be the new capital, reconstructed capital. So we will write here to balance carried down. Each partner's balance is 37,500. That is given in question, new capital. Now even goodwill has to be written off. They've told to write off the goodwill. How much is goodwill? It is 55,000. Goodwill is 55,000. They have told that goodwill MN 35, RN is 20,000. It should be written off in the new firm. Written off means it will not come in the new balance sheet. This goodwill will not come in the new balance sheet. So we'll have to write off. This goodwill. So let us, because the new partners are equal partners, ratio is not given. What we will do, to goodwill account, how much it is? 55,000 divided by 4. Just do 55,000 divided by 4. How much is it coming? Take your calci and do 55,000 divided by 4, because we have to divide, we have to give, because all the partners are equal partners, we'll have to equally divide the goodwill. So how much is it coming? It is coming to 13,750. Check everyone are getting this amount. 13,750. 13,750, 13,750. Whatever be the balance has to be adjusted in the current account. They have told the difference, if any, should be transferred to the current account. Any difference in the partner's capital should be transferred in the current account. So how much we are getting? 37,500 plus 13,750. We are getting 51,250. So here 51,250 is highest. Here also 51,250 is highest. 51,250, 51,250. Now, but in the here MNN 6,800 is highest. So both the places we will get by current account balancing figure. Here also debit side also we will get to current account balancing figure. So take down what will be the balancing figure. What balancing figure we are getting? 6,800. 6,800. So how much is the balancing figure? It is 9,550 here. Correct? And what about here? 51,250 minus 48,400. Here it is 2,850. Here also it will be 2,850. Now let us prepare the balance sheet. We have partners capital. How much it is? M, N, R and S. It is 37,500 each. 37,500. 37,500. And here we also have current account. See, this balance is coming here in the liability. To balance brought down, this is actually the closing balance, which is shown in the debit side, is a credit balance. If you all know this, the closing balance always has an opposite effect. So this balance which is in the debit side is actually a credit closing balance. This is debit. So ये हमारा करंट अकाउंट भी इधर ही आना चाहिए. So partners current account किसका है? M and N. How much amount we have got? 9,550. 9,550. Here also current account is there. So partners current account, which to R and S, how much it is? 2,850. 2,850. We have posted the capital and current balance. Now we will go to the PC. We will copy the assets other than goodwill, because goodwill is written off. We will not copy goodwill. Other than goodwill, other assets we will write. So let us write the total also. Goodwill we will not write, because goodwill we have written off. Written off means we have cancelled. It will not come in the balance sheet. Now in the liability side also we have taken, the new firm has taken some liabilities also. Actually they have taken all the liabilities of the old firm. So we will copy. So what is it? Let us write the total also of the liability. 86, 38 and 18,600. Let us write the amount. Let us write it. So now tally our balance sheet, whether it is tally. Say our balance sheet is tally. How much amount we are getting? See how much amount we are getting. Are we getting how much we are getting? 3,11,700. Both the sides 3,11,700, and we may say our balance sheet has tallied and this sum is done. Thank you very much everyone.